it's Kate. So in today's video, it is a little bit different. I am only eating yellow foods for 24 hours, so all day, breakfast, lunch, dinner. So obviously I could not get out to the store because we are in the middle of a pandemic, which is also why I thought this was the perfect time to do it, because I have nothing else to do at home, and I thought this was the perfect time to only eat yellow food. So I'm only using what we have in the house, obviously, because we couldn't go to the store. But yeah, we actually have a lot of yellow things. I looked around, I saw everything we have. So also, since we were not able to go out to the store, I am only drinking water this challenge because I have no other yellow drinks in the house. We obviously can't leave the house because of quarantine, so obviously we're not able to go to the store, so I've been only drinking water for this challenge because plain old water is good enough. So, yeah, I hope you all like this video. It's more of a vloggy type video. Obviously I'm only going to show you guys like the food I'm eating today. If you want to see the full vlog, it is on my vlog channel. But let's get right into this video. So for my first meal, I'm going to be having a banana smoothie, and that probably won't fill me up, so I'm going to also have a waffle with butter. So let's get to put ice in there because it's not a good smoothie without ice and milk. I know these two things aren't yellow, but if you order a banana smoothie anywhere, this is what's in them. So, yeah, it will be yellow. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is very much a baby yellow. If you want a second opinion, you can get my brother over here. This smoothie yellow, and it's just literally not seen by the camera, but it's a baby yellow. Yeah. Now I also know that will definitely not fill me up because it is a small smoothie. So I'm going to get this vanilla waffle we have. This is definitely a yellow. My breakfast, a yellow waffle with a yellow smoothie and my yellow phone. I'm also eating next to yellow flowers, so the whole yellow vibe is actually here. And we thought, while I'm eating my yellow breakfast, why not watch Saffron Barker's Eat Only Eating Yellow Food video, right? Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna enjoy breakfast and you're gonna watch. That's really good. I've had these waffles before, but I'm gonna try it for this. It's also really good. Guys, so I'm feeling a little bit hungry, so I think it is time for my first snack of the day. Let's go grab it. For my first snack of the day, I will be having some sharp cheddar cheese. So I'm gonna eat this cheddar cheese, which is yellow. Guys, so I have my bottle of water because obviously, as I said before, I am not including drinks in this because we have no yellow drinks because I couldn't go to the store. But the closest thing is just plain old water, so I'm not drinking any other colored things or any other drinks. I'm just drinking water today and my smoothie. Yeah, we were trying to make a yellow drink out of lemon bar, iced lemon bar we have, but it's white, so we couldn't do that. So, yeah. And we're going to use a tube of lemon ice, but that's white too, so we couldn't use that. So I'm just having water today. Yeah, I'm going to drink this. I'm going to chill out for a little bit, and then I'm going to have lunch soon. Hey guys, so it is lunchtime now, and I'm going to be making, with my mom, scrambled eggs. Yeah. Who wants to help us? You want to help us? Go puppy.
Right, try again.
So now I'm eating my eggs for lunch, and I'm going to time lapse this. So I'm starting to get a little hungry again. I think it's time for my second snack of the day, so let's go grab that. For my second snack of the day, I'm going to be having a bag of Lay's chips, very yellow. Hey guys, so I'm going to eat my Lay's chips now. These are definitely yellow, more of like a baby yellow, but they are very yellow. And very good. I'm just going to watch this and watch some YouTube. I just finished my second snack of the day, my Lay's chips, so I'm done with that now. And yeah, the next thing is dinner. Guys, so I'm about to have dinner. My mom just cooked it, so here are some clips of her making dinner. having mac and cheese, which is very yellow. And let's go eat dinner now. Here is my macaroni and cheese. As you can tell, it is very yellow. Let me put it here and show you. It's very yellow. It's very good. Very excited. So I just finished dinner, and now I'm having my dessert, which I'm having these Girl Scout lemon cookies. I'm taking the lemon cookies out of the bag, out here. These are definitely yellow, like definitely very pigmented yellow. So I'm just gonna have 2 of them. Yeah. Here is the taste test. Oh, it's so good. Okay, so I just finished my dessert. I think that's probably what I'm gonna eat today. That's probably it. I'm gonna drink water, just water, the rest of the day. Yeah. So this is where I'm going to end the video today. I had all my meals, my snacks, and my dessert. Overall, this challenge is actually pretty easy. I tend to usually eat yellow foods, so I think this was a lot easier. Although I would definitely have different things in a smoothie, not just bananas. But I usually just eat eggs. Usually on toast, so I wasn't able to do that. I had to change things a little bit, but it was really hard not eating other stuff that I usually eat in a day. But the mac and cheese was really good, so I was actually pretty happy about that. Yeah, overall this challenge was pretty fun and kind of challenging, but not really. So if there are any other colors you guys want me to eat for 24 hours, comment down below and let me know what colors I should do next. But yeah, that's it. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and I will see you next time. Bye!